Welcome to another video of our automata playlist. Today we will learn about the conversion of NFA to DFA just like our previous video. In our previous video we learned the first step of how to convert NFA to a DFA. The first step was to remove the null transitions, and after removing the null transitions what we get is also a NFA, but it is simplified from the previous NFA. So now what was our aim? Our aim was to convert the NFA to DFA. So we need one more step to convert it to a DFA. So let's check it for this example. So here we can see there are three states, Q0, Q1 and Q2. Q0 is the initial state and Q2 is the final state, and there are two alphabets 1 and 0. So first we will write the transition table for this NFA. So there are three states we have written, Q0 as the initial and Q2 is the final, and two alphabets 0 and 1, two inputs. So for 0 input, Q0 remains in Q0 as it is in the self loop, and for 1 input there are two states the Q0 can go. It can remain in Q0 or it can go to Q1. So I have written those two states as comma and as a set. So now let's check for Q1. For Q1 it goes to Q2 if the input is 0 and the transition for input 1 is not mentioned, and for Q2 there are no transition mentioned. So now this is the transition table of the NFA. So if we want to convert this to a DFA, we will first have to convert the transition table to a transition table of a DFA. So how to do that? First we will just copy the first row of the transition table, that is for the initial state. So Q0 goes to Q0 for 0 input and to a new state Q0 comma Q1 for input 1. So here are one new state that is not defined in this transition table, that is Q0 Q1. So we will next write the transitions of this state Q0 and Q1. So let's check how to write this. So first we will see for Q0, if the input is 0 it goes to Q0, and for Q1 it goes to Q2. So we will have to write for both Q0 and Q1 together. So it will be Q0 comma Q2. Okay, so Q0 goes to Q0 and Q1 goes to Q2 for input 0. We will write it like that, and let's check for input 1 just like that. So Q0 goes to Q0 Q1 and Q1 goes nowhere. So we will write Q0 Q1 only here. So this state is already defined in this transition table, but this state is new. Q0 Q2 is not defined in this transition table. Okay, Q0 Q2 is not defined. So we will now write that row for Q0 Q2. So let's check again like similar way. So Q0 for input 0 goes to Q0, and for input and Q2 for input 0 goes nowhere. So it will only be Q0, as there is only one state it can go, and again Q0 for input 1 goes to Q0 Q1, but Q0 goes nowhere. So it will again be Q0 Q1. So we just copied it for the first row and then describe the newly formed states. So now what will be the final state? What will be the final or accepting state for the DFA? For the NFA it is Q2, but there in the DFA there is no state named Q2. So we will make all those states which has Q2 in it as the final state. So only Q0 Q2, this state has Q2 unit. Okay, so only this state will be the final state. So now let's make the DFA or make the automata from this transition table. So the first state is Q0, the initial state as always, and for input 0 it remains in Q0. So I will just make a self loop, and for input 1 it goes to a new state named Q0 Q1. So let's make the new state here. Okay, so for input 1 it will go to Q0 and Q1. So now let's see the transitions from Q0 Q1. For input 0 it goes to again a new state, that is Q0 Q2, and Q0 Q2 is the final state. So we will make it the final state. Sorry, I forgot to give the brackets, and yes, now this is the final state. So now it will go to for Q0 Q2 for input 0, and for input 1 it remains in itself. So there will be a self loop for input 1. And what are the transitions from here? It goes to Q0 for input 0. Okay, for input 0 it will go to Q0, and for input 1 it will just go to Q0 Q1. So this is the DFA transition or the DFA conversion. So if we convert this NFA to a DFA, it will look like this. Okay, so now let's check it for another example. So let's see it for this example. I have already written the transition table for the NFA. From Q0 to Q1 for input 0, it can go to Q0 or Q1, both states. For input 0 it can go to Q0 or Q1, so I have written both the states. For input 1 it remains in Q0. Okay, sorry, for input 1 it remains in Q0, and for Q1, for input 0 there is no transition, but for input 1 it goes to Q2, and Q2 is the final state and there is no transition. So I will convert this to the DFA. So I will make it Q0. Okay, because for input 1 it remains in Q0. So here is the newly formed row. I have just copied it from the NFA. So the transition table for the DFA will look like, here is the new state Q0 Q1. So let's make it like that. Okay, let's make this just. So where the Q0 Q1 will go for input 0. So Q0 will go to Q0 Q1 and Q1 will go to nowhere. So it will be again Q0 Q1. And for input 1, Q0 will go to Q0 and Q1 will go to Q2. So it will be Q0 Q2. So again there is a newly formed state, that is Q0 Q2, and as Q2 is the final state, so this Q0 Q2 will be the final state again. Okay, for this one also. So let's check where it goes. For Q0 goes to Q0 Q1 and Q2 goes nowhere, so it will be same Q0 Q1. And here again also Q0 goes to Q0 and Q2 goes nowhere, so it will be Q0. So it will just be similar type of the previous one. So the Q0 is the starting state, then it goes to Q0 Q1 for input 0, and for input 1 it just self loop. Now it remains in, there is a self loop for input 0 in this state also, and it goes to Q0 Q2 for input 1. Okay, and Q0 Q2 is the final state. So I'll just make Q0 Q2 as the final state, and it will go to Q0 Q2 for input 1, and Q0 Q2 will go to Q0 Q1 for input 0, and Q0 for input 1. So this will be the DFA conversion of this NFA. Okay, do subscribe the channel and like and share the video as much as you can.